Hello traders, Mike Mohebi here. Today is 2nd of August, 6 a.m. in Melbourne, Australia, and it's still 1st of August, 4 p.m. in New York and 8 p.m. in London. Today we have a couple of, I think, the new signals and new trades we can get. Australian dollar, as I said, the US dollar is trying to devalue, and Australian dollar is worse than US dollar, so they try to devalue their currency more than US dollar. So that's what's happening in the moment in all the currency pairs with Australian dollar. As you can see, it's going down. This is more than a pin bar. But the funniest thing is Australian dollar against Japanese yen, which we have a little bit of fluctuation here, and then we have this pin bar here. This is a sell signal, and those of you who want to get it in a trade, you can get here in a trade. This is a very strong resistance, okay? You remember that, so be careful of that. But yeah, overall it seems it's a good signal. I'm gonna get a trade. So if I draw a Fibonacci of this pin bar, that's how I get. This is the, as you can see, there's a resistance line here and close to this 423 level. So I get in a trade 0.1, I sell right away, and I take the target, the stop loss on top of this, the previous one. Let's click this, and the target is almost halfway between 261 and 423. That's one trade. The other one is Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, Kiwi dollar. The Kiwi dollar was devaluing very good, but with these 2 days, as you can see, it touched this 21 moving average and it's going up. So Australia and New Zealand, they're like sisters down there. They're close together, and their economy is very, very dependent on each other. Well, especially New Zealand is dependent on Australia. So this devaluation is going to continue. As you can see, this big pin bar shows that it's going to crash. So Australian dollar is trying to devalue their currency more than anybody else, but the New Zealand dollar compensated this week, so it's going up. So if we have a good pin bar here, we can put a sell limit actually here on top. If the price came up here, you can sell it and ride the wave. But at the moment, no, don't go into this pair. The other one is Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, which is a very good signal. As you can see, Japanese are trying to devalue the currency as well. So the Canada and the euro is still holding on. They don't want to do this. So it's the turn for US, Australia and Japan. They're devaluing the currency. So I get in a trade again. I open a new trade for Canadian dollar and Japanese yen. I put the stop loss on top of this one, and I draw. This is not a pin bar, so I don't draw a Fibonacci. So let's look at the levels. This is the resistance level that the price broke yesterday. This is the first resistance. Hopefully this is a second one, and that's a third one. Have another one down here, and this one down there. Okay, so between this and that and this 85, 86 resistance line, 86, we don't have anything else. So we can put a target close to this line, and hopefully it's gonna hold. It's a reward to risk of 2 to 1, 100 pips, and it's 180 pips, close to 2 to 1, and hopefully it's gonna be a good trade. The next pair is Euro AUD, Euro Australian dollar. Again, as I said, Australian dollar is devaluing, so this pair is gonna go up, and we have a big pin bar here. If we draw a Fibonacci, so you can see and you put a line there, and these two, the 423 level gonna hold on top of the market, and this 261 again, as you can see, there are a lot of resistances here. So these two levels gonna be a very good target. So I open another trade, and that's my last trade. Oh, sorry. I have to buy this, and I put the target on the day, and the price almost halfway between 261 and 423 level. So I have 3 trades. The last one, the last currency pair is EURCAD, and this is a good signal as well in weekly chart. As you can see, it broke, it came back, touched these moving averages, and it's going up, but it's not a strong signal. For me, it's good, you know, if you, I open 3 trades, so I don't want to, my money management doesn't let me to open more trades. But this is a very good signal as well. If you want to get into the, if you haven't opened the other trades, so you can get into this. This broke the channel, and hopefully it's gonna go up. There's no resistance. There's a small one here, but the top one gonna be very good target. These 2 targets. So I think it's gonna hold up to there, and it's gonna be a very good trade. Actually, I can open a very small one. 1 micro lot. So I just follow this pair, and I put my stop loss halfway of this previous candle, and my target's gonna go close to the top level. So if this one holds, yeah, see, did this, I put the target almost where I want it, almost halfway. So these are 4 trades for today. If you haven't got any trade and you can open a trade, you take a look at these currency pairs, and yeah, if you like them, analyze yourself and get into the trade. It's a very good signals. And this is a short video. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, so as soon as I get a signal, I upload a video, and so you can get into the trade with me. And yeah, if you have any question, please ask in the comments section. I'll answer all the questions. Thanks so much, and have a nice day.